Myntri ketenat social welfare ba polung do ulapan pau kajing Sngewkhia. Bawat la kajing bun breu Nongbah Shillong kalakit syakasan hadu hendriu langut kinong syang shnong. Hendrei kidan patang Kawei Tylli ki Village Defense Party lani ki kenhun para shnong ki bami syakmat banyarap lang ya ka sorkar hakajing khun persya ya Drok. Hakajing kran bat kirat pathai Khubor Myntri ula kentu ya ki dor bar shnong bakin penslur bat ai kajing trailang bat ka sorkar da ka bathau ya ki VDP haki shnong khnang ban la ban penklan shu hakajing khun persya ya Drok Khuborjylla. Myntri ula pentip ru baka sorkar kala pentmai bat penkiu ya kajing yarap pisa syaki VDP naka praspa tengka ka baju ai Baroh shikata syakalai hajar tengka.
But we have a scheme which I have shared with the Pashnongs. We had a very well-attended meeting at the NEHU building at Nongbah where all the major Pashnongs of Shillong had attended, and we appealed to them to avail of the VDP scheme, Village Defense Party, which is a legal entity, which will also give them legal coverage and protection, and which works in tandem with the police department. We have revised and enhanced the cash incentive from 800 rupees to 3,000 rupees per month, and these volunteers need not be on the roads, on the streets, on the lanes 24/7. They will only assist the police department with information and giving us leads. So we have done that. And I would again appeal, as of date, we have just 11 VDPs in Shillong, a city that has now a population that has crossed 5 lakhs, close to 6 lakhs plus. So for a population of 6 lakhs, to have just 11 VDPs, because we need information sharing. We need, and we have also the dream mission. And recently, you might recall, I have visited the ANTF office, and we have given cash incentives also to their personnel, 10,000 rupees per volunteer, which has not happened in the past. So these are major initiatives. Through you, I would appeal to the Donbosco to come forward, take advantage of the offer of the state government, because this is not us versus them. This is not government versus the people. This is the people with us together tackling the menace of drugs.